Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the virtual internship opportunity provided by the one of the multinational organization that is a SAP. And friend, anyone can apply for this opportunity, whether you are the college going students, working professionals, or the freshers, anyone can apply. And we are going to check the all the details, means how you need to apply, what is the eligibility criteria, and other details. So please watch the video complete. And friend, you can see here, once you complete this internship, then you will get this type of a certificate. It is the sample certificate. We will discuss later in the middle of the video in more details. So you can see we are at the official page of the Forage who is providing this technical consulting internship. You can see from this app. And friend, you can see here that it is absolutely free and more than 6,100 plus learners has been already completed this internship program. And you can see the topic that is a technical consulting and you can see below that given that you have to apply your data analytics skills to help a French fashion brand to resolve declining sales in the US as a technical consultant with SAP. So basically, you have to solve the problem here. There is a company, French company, who has their fashion brands, and they are having their declining sales in the United States. And here you have to act as a technical consultant, and you have to use your skill of data analytics to solve their declining sales problem here. So this is the condition given here, and so you can see here the more details given regarding the technical consulting. So basically, a technically consulting helps a customer to navigate the world of SAP, and you can see they are having customer in more than 180 countries, and including 92% of Forbes Global 2000 companies. And you can see they are excited to see how means you can learn to identify technical issues and develop a system solutions for the deployment and ongoing support of cloud-based product. And here you have to understand how to manage a technical performance expectation and a trusted advisor. And they are looking for those who want to ensure customers stay on top of the trend and thrive in the digital economy. So basically, at the SAP, they ensure customers should be on the top of the task, and they have to use mostly digital things here. So talking about the skills you will learn here, like you can see data curation, data evaluation, then analysis, business intelligence, presentation skills, public speaking. So these are the some skills you will learn here. And talking about the what types of tasks you have to do. So let's talk about that. So first task given, that is you have to assemble the data. So here you will be part of the technical consulting team at SAP, and you can see your client is a fond of and a French shoe company whose US sales are being impacted by the counterfeit products, which we have discussed in the starting of the video. So you can see, so you have to learn how SAP use data to explore the issue and decide on the next steps. So what you have to do, you have to review and select the data sources to help troubleshoot the issue. You have to determine the tools required to complete this task, and after that completing this task, you have to solve the multiple choice quiz, and then you can see second task is given, that is a data analysis. So first step was that you have to collect the data, and in the second task you have to do the data analysis. So you can see. You have to communicate insights using data visualization. So you have to create a graph and some other charts here, and you have to create a free trial account for SAP Analytics Cloud, and you have to create a story using charts to visualize your insights. So what you have analysis done on this task means data. You have to provide your insights based on that. In the task 3 given, that is you have to present the result. So whatever means you have done the data analysis on the data, and what is your finding, you have to present in this task 3. You have to give a PowerPoint presentation to your teammates so that they can understand, and you have to present in a such a simple language so that everyone can understand, I mean, the technical things. So understand this scenario. And once you complete all these tasks, then you will get this type of certificate. So friend, this certificate you can add in your resume, you can add in your LinkedIn profile so that your profile becomes stronger. On the top of the SAP logo is given, and at the bottom the all the task 3 is mentioned. And at the bottom you will see the link. Using that, anyone can apply for, means you can any can verify your certificate. So before going to check the how you will do the registration and other things, if you have not subscribed our channel Info Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the pre-certification courses, jobs and internship opportunities. So please subscribe. And friend, you can also explore the my latest video, that is a high salary skills video, means which are the skills you can learn in 2026 for taking a more high salary. So please watch it and provide your comments. And so how you will do the registration? So first you have to open the link which I have provided in the video description box, and once you open it, then you have to click on the start pay program. And if you are already having your account on the forest, you can directly log in. If not, then you have to click on this create a free account, and you have to provide your first name, last name, your password, your birth details and other details, and you have to create your account. Once your account is created, then you have to log in, and this technical consulting internship will be added in your profile, from where you can complete it and get the certificates. And friend, if you have any query, please comment on the video. We will check and provide you the answers. Please subscribe Info Roshan. Thank you.